Hello everyone, Styles by Lailani is here bringing you the natural styles of life. And as you can see, I am about to cut my autumn soap. I am actually about to unmold it. If you don't know, if you're new here, I am Styles by Lailani. This is my all natural bath and body care company, and I do make my soaps. I make soap videos for YouTube, and I also sell soaps at StylesbyLailani.com. Look at this beautiful bar, y'all. It came out so nice. I love how the red is all on the sides like that, even though it was supposed to be in the middle. But it came out really cute, okay? Do you see it? This is a sample piece, actually. So we're just going to put that down, and we're going to continue to cut. But this is, like I said, an autumn bar. It smells so much of pine and like cinnamony, and it has notes of cinnamon, pine, musk, vanilla, and it smells really good, guys. And it's, to me, in my opinion, it is unisex, okay? Guys can wear it, can use it, women can use it. And this is also made with skin loving ingredients. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. And in the background, you do see my oatmeal milk and honey soap and the bag of oatmeals, because I was actually making a video and I needed the bag. So I just scooted over to the side. I was doing a lot this day, y'all. As a small business owner, I run my own business. I am my own employer. Like, I don't have any employees. No one works for me. I do need an assistant. So if y'all want to be an assistant for your girl, well, let me know, okay? Email me at stylesbylailani@gmail.com with serious inquiries, okay? Only. Like, your girl is a mother, a wife, a business owner. Like, I have a busy life, y'all. But I still tend to make time for my subscribers because I really appreciate all the love and all of the support, the comments, the name recommendations. I appreciate that so wholeheartedly, okay? And I do want to say thank you. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for watching my videos, liking them and disliking them. I love constructive criticism because it only makes you stronger. You should not get in your feelings about constructive criticism. It only makes you better and stronger. So I love it all, y'all. But this bar actually came out so good. Do you see the designs, the swirls in it? I used the new design technique that I am highly in love with. And over the curing process, which is 4 weeks, the soap does dry out, so you may see a little bit of glycerin lines in it, but it's perfectly fine. It's perfectly normal. It is because I am up close and personal with it in y'all face, so y'all see it. I want y'all to see the details. I'm trying to get y'all to smell it through the screen, but it's not working. But that's why we do allow the soap to sit for 4 weeks. Okay, make sure y'all subscribe so y'all can see my oatmeal milk and honey, how I made that, and I included the cut with that soap making video. So that will be up one day this week or next week. Yeah, I am busy, okay? I am busy, but I'm not forgetting about my subby bubbies, okay? I need a name for us. What can be our name, y'all? Drop down below and let your girl know what our name can be over here over on Styles by Lailani's channel. Okay, because we got, I'm taking a picture, y'all, don't mind me. I'm just taking a picture, okay? Content creator, and also for my website. When I say this soap made me so proud, I was so proud. And it also has vanilla bean in it as well. On the top part is vanilla bean powder in it, the black specks. Y'all, I'm patting myself on my back. Y'all hear me? This bar smells very good. Make sure y'all come over to StylesbyLailani.com. Subscribe to the newsletter so you can be informed whenever this my soap bar drops, okay? And so that you can just be in tune with when your girl drops any new soaps, because I always make new soaps, y'all. I can't stop. I'm addicted, okay? I love it. I love it. Make sure y'all like this video, comment down below, and let your girl know. Make sure y'all drop some bubbles to let me know y'all watched it all the way to the end. And yeah, give me some name recommendations. Bye, y'all. Thanks for watching.